All right, guys. So the problem that I have is exercise 4 or 5. In this one, it's asking a few questions. Here in part A, it's asking us to find the first year's net earnings under a cash basis of accounting and an accrual basis of accounting. So to start with, we'll start with revenues. In a cash basis style of accounting, we only recognize cash that's actually in our hand, in pocket, or that's been received. So for this, in the first year, we received $26,400 in cash from customers. So we'll go ahead and I've got that put down right here under the cash basis. And then we'll go ahead and look at the expenses, and it's the same with expenses. We don't look at the total incurred expenses. We look at the expenses that are paid in cash. And so for the first year, it was $12,800. So got that in right there. And then because we paid we prepaid $3,210 for insurance, and because that was a cash expense, we'll go ahead and put that in right here. And then so if you do the math and you subtract it all out, we end up with a net income of $10,390 on a cash basis. So we'll go ahead and look at the accrual basis. So in an accrual basis, we look at revenue as it comes in and expenses as they come in. So for the first year, we recognized $33,800 in revenue, and so we'll go ahead and put that in right here. And then we incurred $19,300 in expenses, and so we'll go ahead and put that in right here. And then as far as the prepaid insurance, because we were looking at the net earnings for the first year, and the insurance will not be used until the second year of operation, that we don't need to worry about that under the accrual basis because it's not an expense yet. So the total for that would be, or for the total income, net income for the year would be $14,500. And then the cash basis would be $10,390. And then for the answer for the second part, which one is more useful for decision makers? It's an accrual basis, and that's because we recognize revenue when it's earned and expenses when they're incurred, and not only when cash is received or paid. And that helps give a more accurate picture of where you really are, because as you go through, in both of these accounting scenarios, there were still expenses incurred and revenue that was earned. But in the cash basis, we don't see that full picture, and in the accrual basis we do. So anyway, not super hard. Obviously I missed it because I didn't quite understand that. But anyway, hopefully it goes better for you guys, and hopefully this makes sense for you. So anyway, good luck, guys.